Would you believe me if I told you this catchy ABC song, the one you're watching right now, was made by me in under 10 minutes using only free AI tools? Seriously. No studio, no animation degree, no musical talent. I can't even play the triangle. But take a look.
Brown, let's do the A is for antelope, leaping in the sun. B is for bat, flapping just for fun. B is for crab, doing the sideways walk.
Now, here's the wild part. Videos like this, they've raked in hundreds of millions, even billions of views on YouTube. Don't believe me? Go ahead, search a BC song on YouTube right now. You'll find one video with 74 million views, another with 6.4 billion, yes, with a B, and another with 1.1 billion. These aren't just cutesy nursery rhymes. They're viral gold mines in diapers, and they're hiding in plain sight. Let me show you something crazier. This one channel you're looking at, 1 million subscribers in 30 days, 1.5 billion views, $5.9 million in 1 month according to Social Blade. No, they didn't discover oil. They discovered preschool content. Now imagine this. You, sitting at home, in your pajamas, maybe eating cereal, making videos just like this. No animation skills, no studio, no singing voice. I sound like a broken kazoo and I still did it. Just creativity. And a few free AI tools that do 99% of the heavy lifting. These videos are evergreen. So in this video, I'm revealing everything. The exact AI tools. Yep, they're free. The step-by-step method. And how to optimize for YouTube. Even if you're starting from zero, ready? Let's go. Step 1. Writing the song. No rhyming dictionary required. We're heading into ChatGPT, your AI co-writer with zero ego. I just typed, I want to create a fun and catchy kids song video. Can you give me some ideas about the alphabet, colors, or numbers? And boom, ideas everywhere. I picked Alphabet Adventure because it sounds like a Pixar film and a learning app had a baby. Next, I asked, can you write me some lyrics? And like that, we've got a full 6-verse song, including chorus, in less time than it takes to microwave popcorn. Copy, paste, done, check mark. Step 2, make it sing without singing. Now let's turn those lyrics into actual music. No, you don't need a guitar or rhythm or a Grammy. We're using Suno, an AI tool that makes complete songs with vocals, instruments, and emotion, like a robot. Just paste your lyrics, choose a style. I picked fun pop with a bouncy beat, hit create, boom. A is in for antelope AAA. It's catchy, it's kid approved, and it doesn't sound like it was sung by a fax machine. Now just download your lyrics, that's it. Step 3, generate the visuals. Next up, images. But before we create them, we need prompts. So back to ChatGPT we go. Can you write image prompts for each line of the ABC song? And boom, A to Z, detailed descriptions for every letter, even the chorus. Example, A is in for antelope, copy those prompts. And now it's time to turn words into pictures. We're using Suno AI, a free image generator that does amazing Pixar-style illustrations. Create an account. After creating an account, paste the prompt, add in 3D Pixar style at the end, choose 16:9 format, and generate. Again, boom. See the quality of images. Very interesting. Done. Repeat this for each letter. Alternative? Try Leonardo.ai. It also gives you Pixar-level images and 150 free tokens when you sign up. Animate the scenes because kids love movement. Time to make those images move. We're using Suno AI, another free tool that turns still images into animation. Upload your image, add a prompt, like A is for antelope, pick a camera movement, pan, zoom, dance party, whatever, and let it do its thing. Want another option? Runway ML is super fast and works just as well. Now you've got animated visuals to match your music. Things are getting real. Final step. Boom, video edit. Wow, I actually made this moment. Open up CapCut. It's free, easy, and surprisingly powerful. Upload your animated scenes and your audio track. Drag them onto the timeline and sync the visuals with the lyrics. Add transitions if you're feeling fancy. Export in 1080p, bitrate 12,000 for high quality, and boom. You've got a full kids song video. No studio, no team, no clue what you were doing when you started. And yet here you are. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and maybe share this with your creative friend who always says, I should start a YouTube channel. Because here's the truth, you don't need to go viral overnight. You just need to start. And with tools like these, you're already way ahead of the game. The ABCs just became your VIP pass to YouTube success. Now go create something amazing. And hey, don't forget to sing along.